All right, so throttle oversteer. You got to turn into the skid as it's oversteering. You know, kind of keep your eyes up, keep your hands ahead of the car.
And no throttle and brake at the same time.
Right. Slow the foot down. Right. You want to slow your right foot down.
Quicker hands.
Brake early, brake light.
Brake early, brake light.
Go for it. All right, so this makes a little bit of a natural chicane. Just avoid hitting the brakes through here. Kind of coast through it as fast as you can, and then you can feed in the gas up the hill. Yeah, there you go. Be ready to counter into it. Keep looking where you want to be. And now you keep your gas on through this part. Yep. Stay steady. You can do the shift lock, or okay, downshift in. Yep, look through, and just try and stay tight on the exit here, and go nice and slow, and coast through around this last cone. Any brake here, understeers. Good. Good. Keep your hands ahead of it, and look where you want to be. Now through the chicane, maybe a little trail brake through this one. Good. And right, this is the direct part. This next part, we want to get this thing turning. So you kind of set yourself up for a nice oversteer skid to the right. Feed in some gas, get it to oversteer to the left, lift, and gas, and look where you want to be. That's right. You got to just set it up more late apex next time. Good. There you go. Right, it might try and snap oversteer for it on the trail brake in. Stay out wide. Feed in the gas and look through. Yep, you can start to take out your steering. Good. All right. Now through the chicane here, or you can kind of blip, lift, and blip, and lift. It's like a big pendulum. Nicely done.
Hooey! I really like the way this drives. It's like my RX-7 with twice the torque and power.
Wait, your RX-7 has twice the torque?
No, this one.
This thing?
Yeah. So in like slippier situations like that, my car does that a lot, but most of the time it's more planted.
Yeah. Nice.
Sweet.
Right. Yeah, good job.
Thank you.
Throwing it down there. Yeah. So you're used to that car, which is good. It makes you a little bit used to this thing too. You have to brake early, brake light. You know, you can't ask for so much brake where you don't want to be braking in the turn. You want to be braking before the turn, so you can be throttle steering through the corner, basically.
Like ideally off the brake at least by the apex.
Yeah, typically. I think what Chris Rennie was saying, like, he hasn't been here this week, but he'll be in later on today. He was like our lead instructor. He's been in for 9 years.
Sweet.
He was like, yeah, but basically, like, before you get to the apex, you want to be able to feed in the throttle. If you're really early in this thing, you can start to feed in the
kind of like a road course, just everything else is different.
Right, everything else is different. At low speeds, it's like a motorcycle. You're turning the same direction as the skid. At high speeds, you got to turn the opposite way of the skid. Go for it. Oh,
shit!
Just testing you guys.
Watch that out.
All right.
So even shift lock, you're saying, could work, but
could, yep.
If I wanted to.
So stay in third for longer. Go, 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 go. Coast in, clutch in, turn in, clutch out.
Yep.
And then drive out. Right, lift, turn back, gas. Good. Right, looking through the corner, easing out, be ready to counter. There you go. Right, trail brake earlier, induce your oversteer earlier, and turn back earlier. Yeah, just give yourself more room, stay out wider on that one. Don't come in quite so direct.
Yep. Just kind of saving it, that's the way it got.
Same thing here, right? This is the same corner, but you just have consequences on the inside. So you have to stay out here. Nice. Keep looking through. All right, letting it swing. Blip. Lift. Yes. We lost something there.
What's up?
I don't know. something flew out of your pocket? Or?
Maybe. Like,
That's fine.
whatever.
We'll get it under the seat.
Oh, that's probably just my nasal. More strips.
Good job through your chicane there, right? You were able to brake really late, come in fast into that section, kind of avoid the mud in the first corner and just do your braking where it's actually kind of grippy there. I'm not certain. It could have just been your pocket banging around too. We can check under the seat later.
Yeah, he's trying to manage that wheel spin.
The guys were driving a regular Fiesta and that ST. The same instructor was 8 seconds faster in the regular Fiesta around this loop on the ice. All the wheel spin, you can't put the power down. All the wheel spin, all the wheel lock up. They're faster in the regular Fiesta. Go for it.
Follow me. And glide, lift, and power, shift, follow the grooves, up and over the crest, nice and easy, and then pop, and then up, and then clutch in.
Down, shift, clutch out. And you can do one more, down, shift.
Gotcha, yeah.
If you need to, you don't have to though. But off gas, turn back.
Avoid that tree.
Set up a little bit more left here. There you go. So it's softer. Sorry. Put you in the cheese though. If you keep driving the line, it will get grippy. It's not raining right now, right? So if you keep driving a good line, so you set up more to the left here. Set up more to the left, longer, later, lift, weight, and gas and counter steer. Same thing through this corner. Right? Yep. Gotta keep the front tires in the grip, the back tires in the poo, the whole, and you can get it to oversteer the whole way around.
Oh, early, and nice and easy. And power.
There you go. Nicely done.
And poo and off and back on.
He's cleaning off some of that mud for you there, Peter.
Yeah.
Yep. Nice. Looking through.
Woo-hoo!
Excellent. All
That's
right.
why I'm here.
That was a good time.
That shop turn is, Just need to pave one of those, you know, get some property, just pave that turn and go that every day. Step therapy, you know.
Dirt. You can get yourself a little tractor
Exactly.
and just pull the dirt back. Then you won't have to pay for the pavement.
Exactly, you know that.
All right, guys, we'll switch drivers.
Yeehaw!